Adding thick lines to a tattoo is hard. If you use a thick liner, it's going to be hard to penetrate the skin, which means you have to use a machine with a lot of power to be able to help with that. There's so many ways to do it, and if you don't know which one to pick, you could have problems with inconsistent lines throughout your whole tattoo, which ends up making it look busted. You could also completely overwork the skin that leads to scarring and blowouts. Or the worst is you make your lines too thick and then have to overcompensate and thicken up all the rest of the lines, which ends up becoming a mess.
Here are some ways to avoid those issues. Extend the design with a round shader. Powerline with a round shader to create a more defined outline for the tattoo. Build the outline with the side of a mag needle. Use tight circles and a smaller needle to build a thick outline. Lining with an 18 round liner is not recommended since it's easy to hurt people and also hard to do.
This is just one of many techniques that we teach in our upcoming Blackwork seminar. If you want to check it out, it drops on this date. Inside, you're going to learn a complete new take on blackwork as we combine Japanese and new school tattooing. Hit the link in the description to check it out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.